Go home happy with the 2018 Audi Q7. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Make every excursion in premium luxury and family-oriented safety and convenience in this feature-rich Q7. Impressive in every way, its upscale contemporary design is underpinned by exhilarating power and pleasing performance. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun moonroof, backup camera, third row seat, leather steering wheel, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, four-wheel ABS. Feel the joy of luxury in this impeccable Q7. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.